Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Bobbi and I'm with the Hopepreneurs. I'm a Christian life coach and I help people over 40, over 50, retirees, even if you were forced into retirement like me, help folks start their own online business, whether it be on YouTube with your own products, a website, different tool. Let's get started on today's topic. Today's topic is how to turn YouTube into a business for beginners. Anyone can do this, no matter your skill level, because you have a unique set of skills and you can use them to your advantage. People of our age, we have some wisdom that the younger whippersnappers just don't have. They may have some book knowledge and such. They can be very wise in their own right. And we have some things to share with others. So don't discount yourself, all right? Most people on YouTube who want to create a business or who want to earn money on YouTube are either content creators or have a business with products or services that they sell. So there's two business models that we're going to cover today. We're going over the two main models of business on YouTube today. And one is as a content creator. The other is owning a business. Either way, it can take a while before you start earning on YouTube, especially with just holding on to monetizing your YouTube channel. Yes, that can blow up overnight. It's happened. I've seen it happen for people, but it's not the norm. So don't count on it. Yeah, I'm a little jealous of those who just blow up overnight too. It's doable, but it doesn't happen for everybody. So we need to be realistic and we need to be responsible in our actions. Be action takers. So no matter what your business is, you need to build that trust with your audience. That's really important. You need to build up your channel enough where people feel like they know you. They start liking you. They like your personality. They come back for more. Then they feel like they can trust you. They trust what you tell them. Then they'll want to come back for even more of what you have to say and to see what you're showing them and go check things out, right? Monetizing YouTube isn't the only way you can make money here. So if you're struggling to get monetized or if it's not happening quite as fast as you'd like, it's okay. There's still hope. Keep your hopes up, people. Keep your hopes up. So you can create a fantastic ebook. You can talk about it on YouTube. Your committed audience will want to hear more and more about this. Then they'll want to get your ebook. They'll want to get your regular book. They'll want to get your t-shirt or merch that you offer, that you're creating. So you can start talking about your products and your services. You can start showcasing them on YouTube. So let's break this down a little bit, okay? So my primary YouTube business models are content creator and business owner. Let's go a little deeper into this. Let's go down on some ideas for content creator. We have selling information. We have for books, ebooks, online courses, online memberships or subscriptions, gaming platforms. This one little old lady, she's about 80. She does gaming. She streams gaming while she's playing the game. I'm sure I'm like butchering how to explain this because I'm not a gamer, as my kids remind me constantly. But she makes money off of streaming her game playing and with YouTube, having her YouTube channel monetized. Don't hold yourself in a box. YouTube has a lot of options here, okay? Merch, creating designs in something like Canva and selling t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, planners. I'm going to be going over this. I have my own store. I can help you get your own store with 40 free listings. The other thing is YouTube ads. This is once you're monetized, your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money from YouTube ads. It's a great way to earn extra income. Affiliate marketing is also a great way. The online software tool that I mentioned pays me 80% for each sale. And the actual tool is only $25. And I get 80%. And it's a monthly fee to use this tool. So I get 80% of that. That's $20 out of $25. So it costs $25 for for my customers who use it. Then I get 80% of that, which is $20 for each sale. It's recurring, so it's monthly generated passive income because people fall in love with this tool. I've been with them for about 5 years. I absolutely love it. It's recurring monthly income. It's wonderful. Membership software tool. I mentioned that I've worked with Wishlist products for 13 years. Well, I'm also an affiliate now with them. I can earn a nice income from their actual software to create memberships, crowdfunding even. Now, as a business owner, selling physical products, you can go wholesale market, reselling on eBay, Etsy. You can resell items. There's many ways to do this, making your own items. Some people make wooden beds or tables, benches. People that are good with woodworking are really making a good income now with that, making signs, painting, doing drawings. There's all kinds of things, digital drawings. Get into Canva, learn how to design on Canva and sell those products. You can sell them in a nice frame. Software like SaaS, that's a software as a service. Selling your service like insurance, real estate as a real estate consultant or agent, mortgage brokers, virtual assistants. Like I am offering, I'm not boxed in here in earning an income just because I'm starting a business. I'm the business. You need to consider yourself as the business. If I put my business in one category, then how am I supposed to expand? I want multiple ways of earning. I don't want to just box myself in. Freelance services, virtual assistant services. I'm offering my services. I've been in customer service, tech support, coaching. I've been in a ton of different things throughout my life. So I have a lot of skill sets to offer that I can help people with without actually getting a position. So I can just help people with virtual assisting. Course creators, you can create courses for other people. Social media management. If you're into social media, you can have your own business for that. Coaching and consulting. We're going life coach, online business coach, health coach, online business consulting. There are so many options. So again, don't put yourself in a box. You can talk on your videos about what you offer. What are you into? What are you most aligned with from this list you see? Here's some really great advice from Sean Cannell with vidIQ. He says, don't make a living from YouTube. Use YouTube to make a living. It's a tool. We need to decide who we identify as. I'm not talking about the world's idea right now on that. Okay. I choose to identify as a Christian content creator and business owner. There's so many things that can go under that. I am a Christian life coach. That's all I could choose with all the things that I identify with. Which category are you identifying the most with? Write it down. Really think about it. And don't feel like you have to put yourself in a box. If you see one from content creator, like selling info, but but I want to offer my virtual assistant services also. Do it. You're a human being. You're versatile. You don't need to put yourself in a box. God doesn't want that. He's given you skills, certain skill sets and creativity and personality for a reason. Use them. Walk into your purpose here. What I was saying is I am a Christian life coach because so many things I can't contain into one little bubble, into one little box. Life. I talk about life, about what is life? Well, business, earning money is a part of life. Our health, we can't earn money if we're so sick we can't work or create anything. If our emotions are astray and constantly messing with us, we can't concentrate. We can't get into alignment. We need God for that. And I'm not going to discount my relationship with Christ. It's all a part of my business. I am the business. You are the business. Remember that social media platforms can go down at any time. We've had Facebook outages back when it was Twitter outages. So social media platforms go down all the time. So who remembers MySpace? Who uses that anymore? Right? So it can happen. I really don't believe that YouTube would ever go down, but it's a possibility. My grandma used to say all the time, don't put your eggs in one basket. You separate them out. you could drop a basket and lose all your eggs, right? So we want to separate them out. So use YouTube as a very well established functional tool that is working really well for people. I highly suggest also that you get a website. I really suggest you get a website because it's going to help you push out more content on a different platform, and you own that platform. That's actually a very affordable service that I offer as my services. I help with domain registration, transfers, website creations on WordPress, and even some content creation. So that's things that I offer out because it's something that I'm skilled in. Then you share your written content on a blog post while embedding your video from YouTube into that blog post or static page on your website. And then you're going to get a whole new audience from your website that will then go to your YouTube channel and subscribe to your channel. So it's all in the mindset. You need to reprogram your brain, think in different ways. So start changing your mindset. You're not just a business owner, you are the business. Now decide though, which business model are you? Which one do you want to work in? Which are the best ways to earn money for you? You need to start thinking about this. So what stands out to you? You may be both models. You may be a bit of everything. That's okay. Be you. There's only one you. We need you. Be sure to get clear on what you want to do. So you're not like when you're stressed out, you're not all confused about it. Make a clear plan for yourself. And remember, your reason comes first, your influence comes second, and your income comes third, but it will come. Just don't give up on yourself. And remember, it's time to get your hopes up. If this has helped you in any way, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to click that notification button so you're notified of all the other videos that I will be bringing forward. I plan on a lot of different things to talk about. So we'll talk soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.